5 muscle-building foods most people still ignore. In this video, we're talking about 5 powerful foods that can help you build muscle faster, improve recovery, increase workout performance, and make your physique look stronger. But don't skip through this video, because with every food, I'll explain the real benefits, the best time to eat it, and why most people completely ignore it. And if you watch this video from beginning to end, you probably won't need to search for muscle-building foods again. Let's get into it. 1. Dates. When people think about muscle-building foods, dates usually don't even cross their minds. That's a mistake. Dates are packed with magnesium, which plays a major role in muscle recovery. Every intense workout creates tiny tears in your muscle fibers. When your body repairs those fibers, the muscle grows back stronger. Magnesium helps support that recovery process. Dates also contain iron, which helps support energy and workout performance. Low iron levels can leave you feeling weak and tired during training. Here's the easiest way to use them. Eat 2 to 3 dates about 30 minutes before your workout for quick, natural energy. Then, eat another 2 to 3 after training to help your body recover and restore energy levels. 2. Soybeans. If you're serious about building muscle and still ignoring soybeans, you're missing one of the best plant-based protein sources available. Around 100 grams of soybeans provides roughly 36 to 40 grams of protein, which is extremely high for a natural food source. But here's the important part. Soybeans are also rich in fiber, which helps support healthy digestion. And better digestion helps your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, which directly supports recovery and muscle growth. For best results, try eating soybeans shortly after your workout, when your muscles are ready to absorb nutrients and begin recovery. 3. Coffee. Most people drink coffee just to wake up, but used correctly, it can actually improve your workouts too. Drink a cup of black coffee around 20 to 30 minutes before training. You can mix it with water or milk. The caffeine helps increase energy, improve endurance, and sharpen mental focus during workouts. And this is where things get interesting. Better focus often leads to better muscle activation during exercises. That's why experienced lifters always talk about the mind-muscle connection. Coffee helps put your brain into training mode before the workout even starts, allowing you to train with better intensity from beginning to end. 4. Chickpeas. Chickpeas are one of the most underrated foods for muscle growth. They contain a strong combination of protein, fiber, and important nutrients that support recovery and overall performance. The protein helps repair muscle tissue after training, while the fiber supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Another reason chickpeas work so well is because they're easy to include in almost any diet. You can eat them boiled, roasted, sprouted, or cooked into regular meals. The key is consistency. A lot of people fail their diet because they choose foods they can't maintain long-term. Chickpeas are practical, affordable, and easy to eat regularly. 5. Eggs. There's a reason eggs have been a bodybuilding staple for decades. They provide high-quality protein along with essential vitamins and minerals your body needs for recovery, strength, and muscle development. After hard workouts, your muscles need nutrients to repair and grow, and eggs help provide that complete nutrition efficiently. There's a reason almost every serious lifter in history kept eggs in their diet. The truth is, building muscle doesn't always require expensive supplements or complicated meal plans. Sometimes the biggest difference comes from consistently eating the right basic foods. Dates for energy and recovery, soybeans for protein, coffee for workout performance, chickpeas for nutrition and digestion, eggs for complete muscle support. Most people train hard for years and still stay stuck because they ignore simple things like this. Fix your diet, stay consistent, and your physique will change faster than you think. Subscribe if you want real fitness advice without the fake nonsense.